Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Get ready for a game day experience like no other. Construction on the new Buffalo Bills Stadium is progressing rapidly, and we've got the latest updates for you. Bills' new Highmark Stadium 40% complete, heading into holidays, winter. With the first snow falling down at the site of the stadium, heading into the December holidays and the teeth of a western New York State winter, the Bills' new Highmark Stadium is about 40% complete, according to VP Stadium Development John Polka. Once winter begins to taper off and the steel is topped out, some focus will shift in the spring toward the facade and its skin elements, including perforated panels and glazing glass. It's unclear if costs will continue rising. The stadium originally was pegged at $1.3 billion, but has risen steadily in an inflationary environment. Polka said that initial $1.3 billion price tag was publicized before the stadium's design was fully baked, and that fan-focused amenities have been added since, raising the price. Western New York also has a booming economy currently, creating competition for construction labor and skilled trades. The Bills are covering cost overruns. That includes roughly 80% of the steelwork complete, with an expected topping out in late February, early March. The $2.1 billion stadium is still on course for a June 2026 opening. The new stadium, designed by Populous, is being built by a Turner-Gilbane joint venture, with support from former Bills running back Thurman Thomas's 34 Group. The steel framework is nearly complete, and the iconic design is starting to take shape. Imagine watching the game from a luxury suite, with panoramic views of the field, or enjoying a craft beer at one of the many bars and restaurants. Plus, with state-of-the-art technology and a massive video board, this stadium is going to be a game changer.